Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Google. So let's start. First open the Google app. Now tap on the search bar. And here you will see your search history. Now let me show you how you can delete those. All you have to do is long press on the search history and tap delete. Let me show you a couple of times more. Long press and then tap delete. But in this process, deleting search history is a very long process. So I'll show you another one. Now tap on more on bottom right corner and go to search history. And a new browser window will open. Here you will see all of your search history and website visits. Now scroll to the top and tap on filter by date and product. And now filter as you like. I'll just select a certain date. Now here you will see that search and visits of that single day is showing up. Now to delete these, tap on the trash icon. Now let's go back. Now let's tap on the filter again. Tap on all time and then tap today. And all the searches and visits I made today will show up. Now to delete these, tap on the trash icon. And that's how you can clear your Google search history. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.